Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to withdraw Chainlink from Coinbase to Bitmart in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, this step-by-step tutorial will help you move your assets securely and efficiently. With the crypto world evolving fast, it's crucial to stay updated, and this method is designed for the latest platforms and security features. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Coinbase and Bitmart. Start by logging into your Coinbase account. Once you're in, navigate to your wallet and select Chainlink link from your asset list. Double-check your balance to ensure you have enough to cover withdrawal fees. Remember, fees can vary based on network congestion. Next, click on the Withdraw button for Chainlink. You'll need to choose a withdrawal network. For compatibility with Bitmart, go with the Ethereum network since Chainlink is an ERC20 token. Enter the withdrawal amount, then paste your Bitmart deposit address. Pro tip: always verify the address to avoid costly mistakes. Copy it directly from Bitmart's deposit page to prevent any typos. Now, head over to Bitmart. Log in and go to the deposit section. Select Chainlink and choose the same network you used on Coinbase. Once your withdrawal from Coinbase is processed, it might take a few minutes to an hour depending on the network. Your funds should appear in your Bitmart wallet. Keep an eye on transaction confirmations for smooth sailing. Finally, once everything's transferred, you're good to go. Always enable two-factor authentication on both platforms for added security. If you run into any issues, check the help sections or reach out to customer support. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.